How to view hidden messages in Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view hidden messages in Messenger. To view hidden messages in Facebook Messenger, you can simply follow these steps. If you want to find the message request, then you will need to first open the Messenger application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will need to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be able to see this page. In this pop-up, now you will need to select Message Request option. Once you tap on it, here you can see the messages from the people you don't know or haven't interacted with them before. Currently it is empty in my case. Also, you may tap on the spam tab next to you may know, and then there you will be able to see the messages that are marked as spam. Now if you want to view the archived messages, then you will need to simply again tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left and then tap on the archive option just below the message request option. Once doing that, here you will see all your archived conversation or chats. You may also unarchive this chat by simply long press on it and then select on archive option. After that, you can return back to the previous chat page and here you will be able to see that chat. If you didn't see the chat, you may also tap on the search bar and there search for that chat name. So this is how you can view hidden messages in Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.